Hey stellar guitarists, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you a really easy beginner-friendly version of Havana by Camila Cabello. So this song is so much fun to play and really quite easy because it only uses 3 chords throughout the entire song, which we are going to play in a loop. The first thing you're going to need to do is put your capo onto the 3rd fret. And as I said in the beginning of the lesson, we only need 3 chords to play the song, and don't you just love that? Super easy. So the first chord that you need to learn is an E minor chord, which I would suggest playing with your 2nd and 3rd fingers. The second chord we're going to need for the song is a C major 7 chord. We're going to slide our 2nd finger into the 3rd fret and put our 1st finger on the D string in the 2nd fret. And the 3rd and final chord we'll need is called B7, where we'll need to slide our 2nd finger back into the 2nd fret, and we're going to put our 1st finger into the 1st fret on the D string and our 3rd finger into the 2nd fret on the G string. Now usually a B7 chord does use 4 fingers, however for this song I've decided to show you my easy B7 chord, which just needs 3 fingers because it's a beginner lesson. Let's practice the transition between those 3 chords. To C major 7, to B7, E minor, C major 7, to B7. Right, moving on to the strumming pattern. I'm going to divide the pattern into 2 sections to make it easier to learn. So the first half of the strumming pattern sounds like this. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Again. Down, 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 up. That up strum on the B7 chord is what gives this song that Cuban spice feeling. So when practicing the strumming pattern, focus on getting a nice up strum on that B7. Right, now let's put the first half of that strumming pattern with the second half of the pattern. It sounds like this. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, up. If you're enjoying this video and you find value in the lesson content, then please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Your support really means a lot to me and helps me with my channel. Right, let's get back to the lesson and we're going to do a short playthrough of the introduction. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, ooh na na. Havana, ooh na na. Havana, ooh na na. Havana, ooh na na. If you'd be interested in learning the picking that can go along with the song, then please watch my next tutorial. I've tagged it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!